Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete a live task on GainWorkers. Live tasks are real-time broadcast tasks where you earn money by watching live streams or video clips. The best part? The system tracks your view time automatically, so payouts are instant with zero waiting. To get started, head over to the live broadcast section on your dashboard. When you see an available task, click Reserve to lock in your slot for that stream. Once you're ready to do the task, click Enter Verified Panel. This redirects you to the Active Work panel. Just keep the page active and watch the video according to the provided instructions. As soon as you've met all the watch requirements, a pop-up will appear indicating verification passed. You can now head back to your dashboard. Because verification is 100% automated, your payout is released to your wallet immediately. There's no need to wait for manual client reviews.